Hello everyone, welcome to Upgrade Ideas. In today's video we are going to see about Kumarigandam, the Lemuria island. What is Kumarigandam? What are all the facts based on Kumarigandam? People were started to raise many questions based on Kumarigandam, and all the questions will be solved in this update. In Tamil mythology, Kumarigandam is a mythical continent believed to be lost with an ancient Tamil civilization, supposedly located south of the present day India in the Indian Ocean. Kumarigandam is also known as Kumarinadu. The people who lived 20,000 years before, who are all the backbone fathers, were born in Kumarigandam. It is the first Tamil city. The people mythological world was created here only, which was been said by Department of Archaeology with lots and lots of evidence. Without any other language word and the mother tongue of all the languages to be proudly said Tamil. It is the mother place of all the brave candidates which was been sleeping inside the ocean silently. Kumarigandam is also known as Lemuria Gandam. The first civilization of the world, the Indus Valley civilization, was 4,000 years old only, was said by Department of Archaeology. But at the same time, there was another civilization moving in Egypt, which is nothing but Sumer, which is the earliest civilization in historical region of southern Mesopotamia, emerging during the Chalcolithic and the early Bronze Age between the 6th and 5th millennium BC. But our Tamil Nadu's Bumbugar civilization is 11,000 years older, which is discovered in 1991 by Graham Hancock, who is deep sea researcher in England, was proved it with all the evidences. Then our Tamil civilization is just 11,000 years old civilization? No, more than that only. Ours, which is Kumarigandam civilization, which is 20,000 years older and elder to all the civilization. The Kumarigandam connects the Australia, South Africa and India, which has 41 countries in it, the wider and the largest continent in the world, which has the big empires in it, which is silently sleeping under the ocean. The great treasures of Tamil people. So we come to the point that what was there in Kumarigandam? Who are all the peoples lived there? The first people were discovered in Kumarigandam, is that real? And the three Tamil association, which is Mupperum Tamil Sangangal, held there only, is that real? To know all the answers for these questions, watch this update fully without any skip. Kumarigandam is also known as Lemuria continent. In 1764, Philip Sclater, who was an English lawyer and zoologist, he was an expert ornithologist and identified the main geographic regions of the world. He was the secretary of Zoological Society of London for 42 years from 1860 to 1902. Who researched in Africa and Madagascar. There was an animal which is called lemur was being discovered, and the living being was not found on any other place rather than Madagascar and Tamil Nadu's nearby Navalan Islands. By moving on this way, Philip Sclater came to a decision that this can be joined together once upon a time. And then, in 19th century, a person who called Panmori Pulavar K. Appadurai was changed the Lemuria continent to Kumarigandam, and he written a book which is called as Kumarigandam Alladu Kadal Konda Thennadu, which has many evidence in it. To hide the Tamil people's treasure, some people say that it is just a story, but not. It is not just a story. It is the birthplace of all the living things. It is the cradle for all the humans. In this period only our speaking Tamil was also born, and here only lots and lots of wonders were being held. Yes, this is only the Navalan island, which is known as Kumarigandam. But today it has been separated into Australia, Madagascar and South Africa, Sri Lanka, Egypt, Burma, Malaysia, Singapore and in North Himalaya, etc., which has been joined together, which is the largest continent in the world. As before, as I said you all, that is, it has many countries in it, right? 7 Tenga Nadu, 7 Madurai Nadu, 7 Munpadai Nadu, 7 Pinpadai Nadu, 7 Kundra Nadu, 7 Kunakkarai Nadu and the last 7 Kurumpadai Nadu. And which is in all the countries, there are 7 states in it, totally 41 states. And due to Kadal Kolgal tsunami, all these were being destroyed. In this 7 countries name itself, we can identify that is, it has Tamil continent only. These are all the real names of it, which I pronounced you before in English. 7 Tenga Nadu, 7 Madurai Nadu, 7 Munpadai Nadu, 7 Pinpadai Nadu, 7 Kundra Nadu, 7 Kunakkarai Nadu and the last 7 Kunakkarai Nadu. Eel means 7 and the first Eel Denganadu was the letter which preferred Tennai Maram, which is coconut tree, and Tenga is also known as Terku, which is north in direction, so that it has more coconut tree which is Tennai Maram, so that it is called Eel Denganadu. And Eel Kundranadu, Kundra means mountain and Malai in Tamil. This has mountain known as Meru, and that mountain is full of gold, which is tons and tons of gold in it. Eel Kurumbanai Nadu, Panai Maram, palm tree. Eel Kunakkarai Nadu, it ends at Karai, right? Karai means beach, which is located in east side, and this is Kumarigandam. And Kumarigandam was ruled by Pandyas only. And in Kumarigandam only Tamil Sangangal, which is Agathiyar the first Sangam, Tolkapiyar the second Sangam, Kabilar the Kadai Sangam, which is the last Sangam. And the first Sangam was held in Tenmadurai in Kimu 4440 and has 4441 Pulavar, also called as poets, philosopher, etc. With Lord Shiva, Murugar and Agathiyar and 39 poets' way of knowledge, this kingdom was ruled, and Lord Kubera was also lived in this period only. Naladayar, Tirukkural, Agananuru, Purananuru, Silapadigaram, Manimegalai, etc. and all these were been written here only. And the second Tamil Sangam was held in Kabadapuram with 3700 poets. Agathiyam, Tolkapiyam, Vedapuranam, Manappuram like scrolls were been written here only. And we were able to find Tolkapiyam only. Ram Tamil Sangam was held in Madurai only, which was been still here only, and Meenakshi Amman temple is famous in Madurai, and it has 441 poets only, and they were written Agananuru, Purananuru, Naladayar. 9990 years fully 3 Tamil Sangam was held here only, and now it was being pressed inside the ocean. Tamilர்கள் had not came from north to south. They moved from south to north, says many Sanga Ilakyangal. Like Atlantis and Dwarakai, Kumarigandam was also there, was being discovered in Skanda Puranam in 15th century itself. And Skanda Puranam is fully based on Murugar only. Murugar is Tamil Kadavul, and the Ilakya name of him was Kumaravel Pandian. So it has been called Kumarigandam. And this was been said by Devanaya Bhavanar. And we guys are the most ancient people in the world, say it proudly, and doesn't say that we are 4000 years or 8000 years older people. We are all the first generation, and we are 20,000 years oldest, and the world first topmost people was Tamilan only. Thank you. If you will like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in our next update.